Welcome to the IvyProSchool briefing on Claude Fable 5, the blueprint for enterprise AI. AI models are no longer just tools for quick answers or simple content generation. The next shift is about models that can understand large amounts of context, reason through difficult problems, and support real enterprise work over longer periods of time. Claude Fable 5 represents that shift. It is positioned as a Mythos class model built for complex reasoning, long context workflows, agentic coding, research, document understanding, and enterprise-level AI systems. The important point is that Claude Fable 5 is not simply another model placed above Haiku, Sonnet, or Opus. It is designed for a different category of work. Traditional AI assistance is often useful for quick rewriting, short summaries, or basic answers. Fable 5 is meant for tasks that need sustained thinking. Think of it less like a chatbot and more like a capable analyst or developer assistant that can stay with a problem across many steps. Its value comes from three major capabilities. The first is sustained thinking, which means it can plan, analyze, execute, check, and revise instead of only responding once. The second is a 1 million token context window, which allows it to work with very large documents, code bases, reports, policy files, and reference materials. The third is multi-step execution, where the model can support complex coding projects, deep financial reasoning, visual interpretation, and enterprise workflows that need continuity. The 1 million token context window is one of the most practical features. A normal prompt may contain a short email, a paragraph, or a small code snippet. But enterprise work rarely looks like that. It may involve hundreds of pages, multiple files, software repositories, financial statements, compliance documents, or technical manuals. Fable 5 is built to consume and reason over much larger bodies of information at once, instead of forcing users to split everything into small fragments. Claude Fable 5 and Claude Mythos 5 are closely connected, but they serve different access levels. Fable 5 is the public, safe, and broadly available version, accessible through supported platforms. Mythos 5 is more restricted and meant for approved, high-trust customers, especially in specialized cybersecurity and research use cases. The practical takeaway is simple. Fable 5 gives broader access to Mythos class capability, but with safety systems and safeguards built in by design. The Mythos class ecosystem includes Fable 5, which offers public safe general access with built-in safeguards, and Mythos 5, which is restricted to vetted customers for high-trust, specialized research where standard public safeguards are lifted. Applications should be built to handle intentional model refusals. The benchmark story is mainly about complex work. The deck highlights strong performance on coding benchmarks such as SWE-Bench Pro and Frontier Code Diamond, where the model is evaluated on real software engineering and production-level coding tasks. But the deeper idea is not just the score. Fable 5 uses adaptive thinking, which means it can adjust the amount of reasoning effort based on the difficulty of the task. Simple tasks should not consume the same effort as hard technical or analytical problems. A strong enterprise implementation should not send every request to Fable 5. The smarter approach is routing. Simple tasks can go to faster and cheaper models. Complex or long horizon tasks can be routed to Fable 5. The application should first assess task complexity, then choose the right model. If Fable 5 refuses a request because of safety controls, the system should detect that clearly and use a fallback workflow instead of treating the refusal like a normal answer. A practical Fable 5 application has 4 layers. First, the input layer brings together documents, code bases, logs, files, and prompt caching. Second, the processing layer uses the central Fable 5 engine with adaptive reasoning. Third, the security layer monitors sensitive categories such as cyber, biology, or other risky requests. Fourth, the resilience layer handles refusals and fallback architecture. This is why Fable 5 should be understood as more than a model upgrade. It points toward a new kind of AI infrastructure, where AI systems are expected to handle larger, longer, and more meaningful enterprise work.